Aria and Spark arrived at a green place called Natureland. Wow, nature! Nature helps us learn science. Help me grow! What do plants need? Plants need soil and water. And sunshine. It's growing. I feel heavy. That means rain. The plants loved the rain. I used to be a caterpillar. Wow! That's science in nature. Natureland was full of life. And Aria's learning adventure continued.